Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm an owner of a Google Partech company, and in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now, let's get started on the question I have. Sorry. I'm a cleaning business and running ads on Google Ads and getting a lot of people calling from homeglow, which I have zero affiliation with and being charged for the conversions. How do I get rid of this issue? Okay, this is a very basic issue, which I think that people can get it when they are trying to run their ads and they are getting wrong people. Now, I always emphasize that the intent of your ad should be very concerned. You need to see your keyword targeting strategy. I recommend you to look on your keyword targeting strategy and change from broad match to phrase match or exact match to get the right target audience to your ads. However, because since you pointed a homoglow word, which is a specifically, you can add it into your negative keywords. If I move on this, now this is a regular Google Ads account dashboard. Simply move on to your campaigns. Let's say we're going with just simply move on to your campaign over here. And if you want to add for all of the ad groups, you can simply move on to your audience keyword over here, and right over here move on to your negative keywords, and from your negative keyword simply select your keyword and add the word homoglow and simply save it. What happens is that whenever someone with the word homoglow searches, your ad will be disapproved. Your ad will not be shown. Apart from this, I recommend you to look for your location settings as well, which you can what you have to do is to move on to your campaign over here, and into your campaign go to your campaign settings, and once your settings gets loaded over here, you just have to wait for this slow internet. I'm going to select it again, and over here you can see your locations which you are targeting. What I'm going to do is you have to write the word homoglow and see if there is any location. I'm also going to see if there is any city or any word. So what actually happens is that there is no city. If there was any city, I would have simply add it in your location and make it exclude, so that region your ad may not be shown in that region. However, after doing a search, I'm able to find it homoglow is a separate house cleaning service, and there may be a possibility that in your keyword you are adding your competitor word as a keyword. So remove that keyword and look for your keyword bidding strategy and highly focus on phrase match, or this is an exact match keywords, rather adding negative keywords, and look for that homoglow keyword in your keyword section in case mistakenly you have added your competitor keyword in your keyword. So remove that from that as well. So I hope you like this video, a quick tutorial on how, if you want your ad not to be shown when someone is searching the word homoglow, you can, if homoglow was a location, I also told you how you can exclude that as a location. So just to let you know that I run a Google Ads Partech company, and in case if you need help with your Google Ads audit, setup, or monthly management, me and my team can help you. We also help with Google My Business services. We also help with Shopify or website designing services. We also help with Google Ad digital approvals management, budget centered management, Bing ads management. We also help with Google advertiser verification. So many services we offer. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description and check out our complete details regarding what we offer. I hope you like this video, and again we look forward to working with you. Lastly, make sure to subscribe to my channel as well, and in case if you still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.